Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catalytica. Today we have this very interesting old padlock, REKYABLE one, so let's first try to pick it and then talk more about this lock. I'm going to use this tension wrench made out of bicycle spoke and this wave rake made out of windshield wiper to gain a full set. Here it is, we have a full set. So let's find the pin we have problem focusing because the thumb is going on focus. Let's try with this deeper hook. Deeper hook doesn't want to come in. The fifth pin is the last one which something fell back. We have to try again. Again we have a full set. Let's try from the fifth pin, but I don't feel the fifth pin. Let's find out. There it is. There it is. We have again nothing. Full set. We have it. Second pin, fourth pin. Probably there is only one pin left. Probably those standard pins. We have couple of standards here, but I don't know which one of those pins is now. Again nothing. Let's try with the first pin. Sometimes the first pin could be, but it's set already. Here it is. Every time I set this pin, something falls back. There it is again. Again, the second one has a Let's try with this one again. And there we have it. We have it open. So This lock is very interesting because it's made in Germany, and it's made in late 60s or early 70s. As you see, it has a screw and it is rekeyable. It's made by Boge and Kasten Solingen. Very well executed, as you see. Look at these clear edges of the locking notch. Look how big this locking pole is. It's dual locking. Other one is perfectly made. The brass isn't pure copper and zinc alloy, but it's also mixed with lead or maybe aluminium, so this brass is very durable. German locks, usually older German locks, which are made out of brass, have that brass alloy mixed with something else, which makes it much stronger and durable. So if we're speaking of wearing, it doesn't wear out easily as most today's brass padlocks. It's very rare lock. It's very rare on the internet. Also, I saw only a couple of videos with this padlock. Shackle is out of steel. This one is cut in some period of time and it's welded back to work again. So this lock's seen better days, but it's pretty rare, even in the internet, as I mentioned. Very few YouTuber lockpickers had this lock in their hands, usually smaller size. So epic lock for the collection. As you see, those keys are not original for this padlock, but they are from the same period, and they are working for this lock. In general, the keys from this lock are the same as those keys. Those keys are from the rim cylinder. So I couldn't find better bitting, but this one isn't so bad at all. German engineering, precision, very high tolerances, everything works fine, so pretty epic lock. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.